Bibimbap means a mixed rice dish. So basically you have a bowl of rice on top of which you can have up to 8 toppings of various vegetables which are colorful. So today I'm making a huge variety of vegetables and then we're going to serve it. Let's see how to make bibimbap. I'm going to begin by boiling some sprouts. Today I'm using mung bean sprouts, but you can also use soybean sprouts. Those are traditional. But I couldn't find them, so I'm using mung bean sprouts. I'm just going to boil them in a little bit of water. This is around 1/4 cup. I'm going to add a pinch of salt to season this. While this is boiling, let's saute our other vegetables. So I'm just going to switch this over. So I'm going to start with a vegetable which is not colored at all, which is our zucchini. I've sliced it and cut it into half. So I have these semicircles here. These are pretty thin. And I'm going to cook this in a little bit of sesame oil. I'm going to add a little bit of soy sauce to season it. After a couple of minutes, the zucchini will soften and that's when you know that it's ready. I'm just going to take it out in the same bowl. I'm going to quickly clean off this pan with a paper towel and move on to my carrots. Just a little bit of sesame oil. So I'm using 1 carrot which I've julienned and I've used half a zucchini. While our carrots are cooking, let's check on our bean sprouts. They look like they're done. I'm going to switch off the flame and remove them. The carrots have softened, but they still have a little bit of bite. So I'm just going to remove them now. Before I start, I'm again going to clean my pan. And next we'll saute some red bell peppers. Just a little bit of sesame oil. Just about 1/4 teaspoon of chopped garlic should be enough. Now to this I'm adding half a red bell pepper. I've sliced this thinly and I'm also going to add a pinch of salt. These are done. So I'm just going to remove these. Side dishes are a huge part of Korean culture. These are also known as banchan and they are served with rice or noodles or any other type of food. So now it's time to saute some spinach, little bit of oil and a big bowl of spinach. This is going to wilt down completely. I'm also going to add a little bit of soy sauce. Just a little bit of sesame oil. I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of garlic to the spinach as well. This is done. Now I'm going to take this off. One last wipe for our last ingredient, which is cucumber. I know usually cucumber is not cooked, but here we're going to cook it. Again, little bit of sesame oil. This is half a cucumber, again cut into semicircles. Just a tiny pinch of salt. Few sesame seeds in the cucumber and I'm just going to saute it quickly and it's done. Taking this off. All our side dishes are ready. Now it's time to make the sauce. This is a very simple sauce. All you have to do is mix everything together. I'm using gochujang, which is a red chili paste along with some soybean. If you want to learn how to make this, let me know in the comments below. I'll probably do a video for you. So I'm adding 2 tablespoons of gochujang. Add in soy sauce, again 2 tablespoons, sugar 1 tablespoon, juice of 1 lemon, toasted sesame seeds, 1 teaspoon of vinegar for the acidity and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Just bring it all together by mixing it. This sauce has everything: spicy, sour, sweet, some toastiness and nuttiness from the sesame seeds along with some crunch. So our sides are ready, our sauce is ready. Let's assemble our bibimbap. I'm going to serve this on a bed of piping hot rice. So first I'll start putting in the bean sprouts. Make sure you don't get any water from the sprouts. Next I'm going to add in zucchini, but I'm going to keep some space in between. Some spinach, bell pepper, carrots, cucumber, and last I'm just going to add few sheets of nori. This is a type of seaweed. Now I'm going to add the sauce right in the center. In the end, I'm just going to top this off with some sesame seeds. Your piping hot bowl of bibimbap is ready to serve. So next time you're watching a K-drama, you can sit with this bowl and enjoy your meal along with this series. Good luck reading the subtitles while eating this.